And away they go on the John Evans Real Estate 800 metres final at Cricket Willow. They've just got under 2 laps to go, 9 metres. And Peter O'Donnell is our leader. Michael Robbins, the runner from Wallen, in second placing. Here's a smooth mover in the brown. The equal favourite is in third. That's Rowan David from Frankston. Les Montgomery stepping fourth, and that's Robert Harler. Trying to go with him, chasing him hard there. That looked to be Andrew Curran, and sitting behind, sorry, that was Brendan O'Brien, followed by Andrew Curran in the green. And you can see another smooth mover, Andrew Sullivan, our back marker. He shows plenty of speed early to make up the ground. He moves up in the 7th placing. He goes around Corey Lawson in blue. A little battler there, Nathan Hardigan in second last placing, and back to Michael Chewin. But expect those two to be fighting on hard at the finish. They don't really have much early speed. As we go around with about 4:50 to go, and Peter O'Donnell in the purple, timing his run well. He's holding a steady pace in front. He's got 350 metres to go as he hits the scala. Our equal favourite, Rowan David, he knows he doesn't want to get those back markers within eyeshot. He's gone away from them. He's probably about 2 metres now off O'Donnell. It's 10 metres to Rob Harler. Our other co-favourite, Andrew Sullivan, now moves around into 4th placing. Trying to follow him there, Michael Robbins. He's moving back in the field at this stage. Andrew Curran in green moves around in the 5th. Look at little Nathan Hardigan. He pulls it on now down the back straight. Puts his head down and heads for home, but he's still got a lot of ground to make up on our front runners. Corey Lawson doesn't seem to be making enough ground. I don't think anyone else can win. We go around with 150 to go, and Rowan David, he heads for home down the hill. He's chased hard by Andrew Sullivan in the round, our back marker, and then running on is Rob Harler. But it looks like these first 3 are the ones who are going to fight it out. 80 metres to go. Rowan David leads. Andrew Sullivan chasing out after him. David going up and down, but he's holding sway. He's going to be strong enough, and Rowan David gets there on the line. Second, a great run by a back marker, Andrew Sullivan. Third, Rob Harler. Fourth, Nathan Hardigan from Peter O'Donnell. Corey Lawson, Andrew Curran. Coming in now, Michael Robbins, followed by Michael Chewin and Brendan O'Brien in the John Evans Real Estate 800 metre final for 2006, and a terrific